a nigga feel. Hoes judge off the way you act. You gotta know what a nigga been through. Fuck your opinion.
It's your boy Jamaal AKA Ghetto Bird coming to you with SB Quan. We're gonna let him tell you where you can find me on social media and all that good stuff. Go ahead and tell these folks what's up.
What's going on? It's your boy SB Quan. You can find me on social media, Instagram, SB_Quan, Twitter _SB Quan _. Facebook is in reconstruction right now, but we'll get the details posted on my Instagram for y'all shortly.
Alright, so look, tell these folks a little bit of background about yourself. Like, what made you want to do this rapping and music industry stuff?
Made me want to rap, basically. You know, my dad, he was doing music around my age, around 17, 18. Well, he started in 6th grade, so he built his own studio in the house. So every Saturday night, he record or whatever. And so he just asked me, did I want to get in the group? But I was getting in trouble in school, so I really couldn't talk about anything that I really wanted to talk about doing music. I had to talk about breaking my grades up and what to do to improve myself. So it was just a start to get me familiar with the mic and what recording sounded like. Until I went to military school, I started writing in there, getting my hair together. And then I came out of military school. That's when I really started digging in deeper into the music and finding myself.
Alright, so you say you went to military school, so how often did you write while you were there?
Every single day. Every single day.
Did you write like a love song, how you want to go home? Like what type of stuff would you write about?
Really, I wouldn't say love songs, but like it'll be a little itty bitty kitty relationship that I had. I write about encounters with females, and sometimes I wrote about everything I did in my life in military school. I wrote every single day. It's like a day that went by and write.
Alright, so look, how old was you when you made your first song? I can't remember all the lyrics.
I was 9 when I made my first song. I don't remember the lyrics. I just knew the age when I started getting in the booth. It's been a long minute since I knew. It's been a minute since I knew I did when I was 9.
So when you were 9, like I know. Where was you living at that age? Like, was you in the suburbs, in the slums? Where was you
I'm from Atlanta. I'm from deep in Atlanta, from Oakland City.
So you say you from Oakland City. I know that's a lot of gangbang down there. So was you part of that? Did you have to jump off the porch?
You in the ghetto where it happen, drugs, all that shit happen around you every day. So you're not gonna sit there and just be bored in the house when you ain't got no lights, nothing to eat really, ain't nothing to do. So when you ain't gotta go to school, that's what you surrounded by, drugs and shit. So you gonna figure out what the hell they do, what they doing. So yeah, I hopped off the porch.
So when you hopped off, did you go to the right or left?
Right side.
Alright, so what that red flag mean to you? What it mean? Like,
not too much about it, but it's your family, loyalty, blood. Is it?
And that's deep right there. So you say family, loyalty. Who are you most loyal to? Who are the people that you can count on right now and they'll do whatever to help you out?
My brothers. My main 5 niggas that grew up with me. We all from Jamaal, Dre, Woosie, Nunu, and homie. We all from we all went through the same shit. This shit been since elementary.
So go ahead and drop a freestyle for us real quick. So I have this on your dome. Go ahead, we want to hear something.
Since I was young, I always dreamed about getting on. Mama told me make a move and make it quick before I'm grown. On serving 30 years, he tried to teach me through a phone. It wasn't working. I said, fuck it, I'm gonna get it on my own. Had the Nike with the scraps. I started with $1. Had to worry about my cousin baby and my mama drama. Told my niggas we gon' eat and run it up. I'm talking commas. If these niggas can't get right, then fuck it. They get left behind us. I ain't worried about these niggas and these bitches ain't what's up. I'm trying to chase a couple hundred. Fuck, I look like chasing love.
Alright, so look, what made you sign with MCM? How did that come about?
It came, well, to be honest, I ain't know shit back then. Like, I really wasn't, I was finna give up music. But then my cousin, I was riding with him one day and the CEO of the MCM. And my cousin told him I did music, so I let him hear a track in the car. He said he fuck with it. He wanted to sign me. You'll never expect that. No nigga ever expect. A nigga from the slum, you rapping and shit, you really doing it for fun, but you really trying to come up on it. you feel like you're gonna make it, but then another side of you feel like there's nothing gonna happen. Ain't nothing was happening before MCM, so I was finna quit until shit, something, miracles just happened. Now, it took me a couple days to figure out what I'm gonna do, but really it didn't. It took me one day. I'm signed. I don't give a fuck. I need it.
So what did you have to sacrifice to live this lifestyle or to do what you gotta do?
Really, I ain't had to sacrifice nothing. I just did it. I just started rapping. It was nothing, really, it wasn't nothing I had to give up in order to do this.
In other words, what would you sacrifice to do this, to live this lifestyle or get bigger?
I mean, that's really not a question I would know at the moment, because it's just, I don't know what I would sacrifice. I know always one thing, you can't sacrifice family, friends. That's something my loyalty too strong for that.
Strong loyalty, I see, my brother.
Say it again?
I said, I see you got strong loyalty with your friends and family. How did that, like, what made you be so loyal to these people?
I mean, whenever I was down, you know, they'll help me up. You can't get money all the time for your brothers. They'll show you how to get it. That's where I'm from. Yeah, we gonna show you how to get it. We're not gonna get it for you. But sometimes when I really needed it, they would give it to me. So yeah.
Alright, so it sounds like you know what you're doing. Like you the man with a plan.
Yeah.
So what actions you gonna take from this point on to be better than whoever on top of you?
Well, right now, I'm not saying I'm perfect. I'm not perfect at all. I'm not better than anybody. But to be honest, I'm just maintaining, keep that same motivation I had when I was young. I'm dedicated to it. I'm gonna keep pushing. It's not a day a day can't go by where I don't think about music or putting in work. Cause everybody want money. Money on a nigga mind. If money ain't on a nigga mind, then he ain't trying to get no money. He ain't trying to be nothing. It's on my mind every day, so I'm gonna go get it.
Alright, so I'm gonna ask you way on in the beginning. What artists motivate you or you look up to?
Meat Man. I'm a nigga right there.
And why is that like?
Cause we don't have a similar background story, but we have went through the same shit. It's not well, that ain't make sense. But a part of our life, part of his life and part of my life was pretty much the same. Dealing with moms, rent, do all this lights off, gotta focus on what you're gonna do in school, what's in the streets. I really wasn't no drug dealer. I ain't killed nobody, do none of that. But a lot of shit that I did could have resulted in shit like that.
What type of shit did you do for the result to be like that? Like,
I mean, yeah, I was in a society, organization, so call it, other words you call it gang. So, you know, you had to do this in order to get this, do that, take that consequence, you know, fight. It was just crazy.
any shout outs you want to get to any of your folks, anybody? Like, let them know checking in.
Shout out MCM, my brothers of course, everybody, Dre, Nunu, Woosie, I know y'all nigga watching. Jamilion, she hated when I call her that, but hey. Jamaal, my dog, for sure, for life. My mama, me and my daddy ain't like cool like that, but I still shout them out. My sister, my nephew, you know, it's a lot of people. Shit. We're gonna have to make a credit list.
Alright, so look, let these folks know where they can find you on social media one more time.
Social media, Instagram, you can find me SB_Quan, Twitter _SB Quan_, and of course, as I said, Facebook is under construction right now. We're gonna have the details for y'all in no time soon, in a short period of time.
Alright, so y'all follow the drip. You hear the best from your man, SB Quan. Go ahead and listen to the music. It's on Apple Music, Amazon, Google Play. And how about you let them know where it's at? Let them know where it's at.
Find the Apple Music, Amazon, Google Play, fucking Pornhub.